Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and I'm looking at the euro and the Great Britain pound cross for this analysis. So let's write here fairbinaryoptions.com. So looking at the euro Great Britain pound on this Sunday, on the 31st of August, as the market closed on the previous Friday at extreme lows. I mean, it was virtually a washout for the currency pair after the fixing in Europe. After London went home on Friday, we had this massive sell-off, if you want, for the pair. I mean, 50 pips for a cross to move that aggressive to the downside. It is either made by a collapse in the main major, the euro US dollar, or a violent surge for the euro and for the Great Britain pound US dollar. Now in this case it was both the euro US dollar moving to the downside and the Great Britain pound US dollar moving to the upside, and those flows made the pair look so looking so weak. However, from the recent lows here, I would still say that this is only the end of an impulsive move to the downside, and now we should look for a correction. So this would be, in my opinion, only wave A of a bigger degree, let's say wave A of this degree, and now we should look for a B wave to the upside. But the B wave to the upside needs to be a corrective one, and therefore the move from here to here is nothing but wave A of a lower degree. So this would be, let's say, wave A of a lower degree. Let's make it red and a bit smaller. And it is, of course, a three-way structure. From this moment of time, we need another three-way structure that should be the B wave. The only thing that we should expect for the B wave is to retrace more than 61.8 when compared with the whole length of the previous corrective wave. Now 61.8 is here, as you can see, 79.27, and that is the moment of time, or that is the only rule that needs to be fulfilled for a flat. Now the B wave, if it is retraced like this, this has the prerogatives to be either a weak B wave or a flat with a weak B wave, or it may turn out to be a common flat. But in a common flat, the B wave is the most time consuming. It is hard to believe now that this B wave here will consume more time than the previous wave A. Anyways, what we have for the B wave here is being called a zigzag, so a five-way structure here, then a B wave as a contracting triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then another five-way structure here. So what to look for next? Next we're looking for a C wave to the upside that should challenge these highs, and I will say it will go even much higher. Is the B wave completed here? No, that was only the minimum distance to travel, the 61.8. It may turn out that the B wave will be a strong B wave, means it will go and take the lows here below wave A before bouncing higher. It is not that important, as if you are trading the regular spot market, then you have to have let's say a deeper or a bigger stop loss. But if you trade binary options, we will mitigate this with the expiration date, and we will choose expiration date being end of week expiration date next week. So let's write here on the screen that I would like to buy call options on the euro and Great Britain pound for next week. At the opening on Monday, no problem, with end of week expiration date. So buying call options with end of week expiration date is the recommendation for the euro and the Great Britain pound. Thank you for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our analysis on the website. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy, as we treat there all these types of flats and scenarios and so on. And stay tuned on the YouTube channel. Bye bye.